Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can send an email. If you see it helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Tap these dots. Here we have Gmail. Click it. Click compose. For example, I want to send email for this person. Okay, for this person. Subject it. Work application. Dear Sir or Madam. For example, I finished the email. Just I want to attach my CV. From here you can attach your CV. Click this one. Desktop. This is my CV. I select the CV. Open. You can add. I attached the CV PDF. From here you can add photo. From here you can use files from Drive and so on. Just send. If you want to see the email you sent, just send. That is the email I've just sent. That's all. Have a nice time.